Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to share 3 amazing free AI tools that can help you remove background noise from your audio recordings. These tools are super easy to use and can make a huge difference in the quality of your audio. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first tool in our list is 11 Labs. It's a powerful AI-powered platform that offers a variety of audio editing tools including Voice Isolator. To use 11 Labs, simply upload your audio file, click on Isolate Voice, and the AI will automatically analyze your audio and remove any unwanted noise. Another fantastic option for background noise removal is MyEdit. This online tool is very user-friendly and offers a variety of features including voice isolator, audio denoise, wind remover, and speech enhancement. Just select the one as per your requirement, upload your audio file here and you will be done in no time. Last but not the least, we have AutoStudio. With this tool, you can remove the background noise of your audio in just a click. Here's what your audio will look like after using this AI tool.
Just recording this yak to see what noise cancellation, noise removal, noise.
Simply sign up and you'll be redirected to this site. Upload your file here to get the background noise removed in no time. So there you have it, 3 amazing AI tools for background noise removal. Whether you are a podcaster, YouTuber, or just someone who wants to improve the quality of your audio recordings, these tools can be a huge help. Give them a try and let me know what do you think in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.